here.
What does B stand for?
And we'll go
Oh, okay.
a little bit for, ooh,
Hell yeah.
interesting.
You're on it.
Compare. Let's go back to our list. Where are we at? We're at address 27. 27. Okay. Compare actual string length to 0. Jump at 0. Control Z, Z. Get back to where I am. Unassemble there. And interesting that it messes up here. CTS 84. 0F84. We're here. 0F84. Okay. I can't explain that. I've seen it before. I don't know if it's a direct bug or not, but it's literally going with an instruction that doesn't exist yet. Got it? That's the simplest of all possible things that I can think of, and yet it is literally jumping in a way that's a little bit odd.
Isn't that what the PC is supposed to do? Jump to the next instruction?
It is, but it's not showing that instruction.
Oh.
What I'm trying to say is, look at it. It's a little funky, right? Okay? It doesn't match what we see over here. Got it? Well, guess what? Take a look at it here. You may notice something about it. All right? It's actually a little bit off. See how this one says R here? See how it's got a bunch of stuff here? Where'd that A3 go? Okay, well, it's stuck right there. Okay, I think it's a bug in the debugger, and occasionally it screws up. That's just the way it is. Okay,
That's just the way it is.
that's just the way it is. The debugger gets it wrong, but the CPU gets it right. So if we actually trace our instruction, let's see what happens. Well, let's see. Compare byte pointer to 0. It's not. If it's equal, it should jump. Otherwise, it should drop down to the very next thing. And it drops down to moving BX0 right there. Got it? This is how you execute in the debugger. You need to